Hello, second grade. Welcome back to the Tiny Art Institute. Thank you for joining us. Today we are drawing a house, and we're going to use vertical lines, horizontal lines, and diagonal lines. Remember the names of those lines, maybe say them as you do them, but think of the sides of your house as vertical, the bottom and the top lines of your house as horizontal. Think of the roof line as it slants, that's a diagonal line. We're going to use all of those lines to draw a house. Maybe yours, maybe your neighbor's, maybe one that you see in a picture. Doesn't matter. All you need is a pencil and a piece of paper. You can color it after you're finished drawing it. I hope you have fun doing this. Let's begin. So we're drawing the house on a fresh piece of paper. These are horizontal lines and diagonal lines. I wrote the word diagonal and drew an arrow. There's a horizontal line for the top of the roof. Now we're drawing vertical lines for the sides of the house, labeling those lines vertical. You don't need to label, I'm just doing it to show you. There's the chimney. I'm trying to make things look three-dimensional with my lines being longer and shorter in front of each other. Thicker lines are closer, thinner lines are further away usually. There's the front door, the bottom of the house, starting to draw in windows using vertical and horizontal lines. 3 windows, 1 door, making sure they're on the same level. Strengthening those lines on the roof to show where they sit in space. Also, starting to put in the horizontal lines behind the house. Just decorating the chimney with sort of a rock look. Think about the direction of lines as you draw them. If you can label them, it makes it easier for you to know what they are after a few times of doing it. You'll understand that a vertical line is up and down, a horizontal line is side to side, and a diagonal line is slanted. So there's the house, and now we're going to color it. That was quick. So I hope you've enjoyed drawing a house today. Did you draw your house or someone else's? Doesn't really matter. Hopefully you included the vertical line, the horizontal lines, and the diagonal lines, and this helped you draw a house. You could use shading in the house to draw the dark parts. We'll get onto shading a little bit later in another lesson to come. There's also a 3rd grade lesson on shading if you'd like to view that. Remember, you get graded on your grade level art assignment per week. You can do any that you want, but please turn in your drawings every week or whatever artwork is posted for your grade level. Hope you've enjoyed this. See you next week. Thanks for watching.